this is the breadboard. So we will make the circuit in this breadboard. So earlier I have measured the value of this resistance. It is 470 ohm. So first I will put this resistors in this breadboard to make the circuit. First we have to ensure that, or we know that the breadboard has some holes here which are like different characteristics. So you can see this line or this column here, A, B, C, D, E. So these one are all connected. If I put any point here, it will be connected through this E. Same for F, G, H, I, J. And again you can see this column here, the ports are like vertically. So these are all connected vertically. This one is connected horizontally and this one connected vertically. Okay, now I'll put the resistors here. Suppose I put one end at 20 here and one end at 15 here. So this one 470 ohm has been put with the breadboard. Now as we are making the series circuit here, same goes for this end. Again connected this one here, this one here. So two resistors are in series here in the breadboard. Okay. Now if we want to put the input voltage here at the end of one resistance and output voltage to measure the output voltage from other end, so we need to connect this with the voltage source. So this one is for voltage source input and this one is for voltage source output. This is the series circuit, and now we will give the input voltage here.